The journey begins with the raw hides. Skilled hands meticulously trim away excess tissue, ensuring a flawless foundation for the luxury leather.
The journey begins with raw hides, layered in thick salt. The curing process is essential.
Make sure those codes are scanned before storage. All right, bring the next one in.
We have to reject this section. The grain consistency is compromised.
All right, I'm logging the defect now.
Here at Lion Leather Factory, the raw hides are carefully graded, ensuring only the finest materials move forward.
After the crucial liming stage, the drums are drained, removing the hair and preparing the hides for the next phase of refinement. At the enzymatic unhairing station, we precisely apply a solution that dissolves unwanted proteins without
Precision engineering ensures that every hide is meticulously cleaned and prepared for the tanning process.
pH is dropping as expected.
Keep an eye on the ratio. We need to hit exactly 8.5 for the delimbing stage.
The delimbing and baiting process flushes impurities, preparing the hides for the critical pickling stage. The raw hides are submerged in a precise acid-salt blend. This controlled acidification
We closely monitor the pickling process to ensure the solution penetrates evenly through the hide's cross-section.
Precision engineering transforms these raw materials. The hides move now to the tanning drums.
Transforming raw hides into luxury leather requires precision engineering. The pickled hides are precisely batched for the tanning drums ahead.
The deep blue cross-sections confirm the rigorous tanning process is complete, preparing the leather for the next stage.
These towering stacks represent the culmination of the tanning process, rigorously graded and tagged before moving to the conditioning floor.
Precision engineering ensures a uniform thickness, essential for luxury leather production. The hides are meticulously refined by high-speed blades.
The splitting and shaving process removes excess fiber, ensuring uniform thickness while the valuable trimmings are collected for recycling.
Make sure the batch labels are secure before we load the drum.
Roger that. We're ready for the next cycle.
The color penetration looks good on this batch.
Yes, it matches the reference standard perfectly. Precision engineering transforms the raw hide.
Precision engineering ensures every hide is perfectly tensioned during the drying phase, a crucial step in transforming the raw material into world-class luxury leather. After drying, the leather undergoes meticulous inspection. The technician checks the break and the consistency of the grain, ensuring only the
The drying phase is critical. Sensors meticulously track moisture levels, ensuring the leather reaches the
transforming raw, natural hides into world-class luxury leather through precision engineering, craftsmanship, and rigorous quality control.
Through precision engineering and masterful craftsmanship, the raw hide is transformed, polished, and sealed for lasting quality.
The cognac hue matches the master panel perfectly.
Agreed. The gloss level is spot on too.
The vibrating blade follows the projected pattern lines, slicing the premium cowhide with artisanal mastery and high-tech precision. This is where the raw hide truly begins its transformation, where precision engineering meets meticulous human skill. Once cut, every piece is meticulously sorted and grouped into assembly kits, ensuring flawless integration downstream.
Each component receives a unique barcode for complete downstream traceability, ensuring our commitment to quality control.
It's this attention to detail, the seamless fusion of materials, that defines the lion leather standard.
It is this meticulous attention to detail, using tools like the digital caliper, that separates world-class luxury from the rest.
It is here, through meticulous buffing and rigorous quality control, that the raw hide achieves its world-class finish.
To ensure durability, every hide is subjected to intense mechanical stress, meticulously measuring the breaking point of the fibers.
Make sure the insert is perfectly aligned.
Yes, quality control signed off on this batch. They look perfect.
Utilizing advanced scanning and global logistics, the Lion Leather Factory ensures flawless delivery of our handcrafted luxury goods.